gon' do what we do. We gon' do what we do. We gon' do what we do. We gon' do what we do. Don't know about you. We gon' do what we do. We gon' do what we do. We gon' do what we do. That's with me and my crew. Every time we come through, we gon' do what we do. We gon' do what we do.
SauceKingz Family, we out here about to work on our garden, getting a little bit of inside cactuses that my girl want. Like,
I'm such a Mexican.
Yeah.
But I also had to get some aloe, some savila, because growing up, my mom always kept this in the house, and every time we would get a little cut, she would just cut a little piece off, put it on our cut, and then bam, 2 days later, it's healed.
Bam.
That stuff's like magic.
What you think about those, right?
They're
Beautiful.
Really pretty.
Should we get one? Can you maintain one?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go get the things we need before we get this. Alright. Look at you. Got him.
Got him.
We also got this, guys. We're gonna lay this down at the bottom so the weeds don't go through or the grass don't go through anymore. So it can look very nice and clean. Clean, clean, clean. Yes, sir. We're gonna go ahead and get some black mulch. But check that deal out. 5 for 10, bro. So you know what we doing. I was looking for this girl and look where I found her doing. I went ahead and took advantage while she was gone. Got the blade to cut the mat so we can lay that down right. I went ahead and got me a blue hot rake. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, I think that's it right there. Look at that smile.
Kimberly Queen Fern.
Now, guys, how are we going to get all this and this? Oh, my God.
Oh, my God. Did it fit? Let me see. Did you squish my beautiful plant? Oh, my God. Hella trunk space.
A few moments later.
SauceKingz family made it back to the house. Vic's gonna unload all this mulch and then we'll be able to put everything in. We're gonna fix the garden up, all of this area right here. Got some mulch right here. Already cut the lawn again yesterday because, you know, spring is definitely here and everything keeps growing rapidly. Okay, hardworking man, get it.
Alright, guys. First, I'm going to rake all this shit out. And then I'm going to lay that black tarp all through here, all the way down right there. And then we'll go add the mulch so it can stand out with the bushes. It's black mulch and it can stand out with the White House. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
I do have this pot here. I have this succulent. You just plant them in some good soil and give them lots of sun. I might put this on my table, my coffee table. Alright, so now that those other cactuses are done, we're going to go ahead and plant a different type of cactus, the aloe vera. If you remember from earlier, we got these two little babies right here. The easiest thing is just to twist and gently pull it out. little pot was not big enough for this little guy. This one will definitely be big enough. There's already some soil in there. So let's go ahead and make a little niche, whatever it's called. This is where I need my sister Addie. And I kind of like squeeze the dirt in. And see, now this will give him some room to grow. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other plant now. All good and ready. All right, so let's go ahead and take these plants in the house so I can show you guys where I'm gonna set them up. Okay, so I wanna set these here in the living room because this is where they're gonna go get the most light. All right guys, so let's go ahead and take this little cactus in the house. So this little guy is gonna sit right here on top of my limited edition gold binded Edgar Allan Poe and William Shakespeare books.
A few moments later.
What's up, man? I'm Montel, M&M Water Solution. Mobile detailing, pressure wash houses, junk remover, whatever you need done, just holler at me. You can follow me on Facebook, Montel Peoples. Number 706-363-2653. Just get at me.
Say no more, say no more. Ooh. Complete transformation. Home service too, at that. Done at the house.
Tell them, bro. I got a sofa in there if they want to get comfortable while I wash them too.
What? Look at that. See, you got a sofa up in here if y'all want to just sit down and get comfortable while he just wash our car. Fire. Hell yeah, yes sir. Hell yeah, bro. Good shit, bro. Good shit, bro. Bro, he pull up on you everything, bro. And his truck, boy. His truck clean too.
SauceKingz Tahoe got washed.
Okay.
Bella and Saucy just love the water when it gets warm out. They just want to keep playing in it. Look at Saucy. Oh my god. Oh, the neighbor's dog then started to bark. He's like, I want to go out there and play too. Shake it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of SauceKingz Family. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time we upload.
Yeah.